nani ndio alikuwa anafuata, alikuwa darasa la tano.
Miaka ngapi ama darasa lipi?
Alikuwa kama tarehe 3.
Haya. Na wa mwisho?
Mwisho ni Judith Juma. Judith.
Sika kwenda straight kutoka Vihiga. Ukafika Vihiga ndio hapo Vihiga tumbale
Eh.
I don't know how we justify. You know that's like 1500. That is like I know the place because I schooled there. I'm trying to see because it's really direct from Rwanda. Tutakupatia 1500 alafu uache kitambulisho. Guide, do you have DPP?
Nirudisheni fomu yangu. Rudisha fomu yangu. Ndio schedule. Sijali na wanyorosha tu. Ndio hii ndio wamechukua. Hiyo nimechukua. Hiyo ni
take your book, eh? Just do it. It's a good idea. Step on it.
Do you have a phone?
I keep on sending you. Nimeandika vizuri.
You have told this honorable court that you honestly believe that your children are still alive, correct?
Yes, that's correct.
You also have told this honorable court that there was a lady who your wife left the children with, according to her. That is Mama Nadia, correct?
That's correct.
And despite telling the police officers, none of them has ever taken you to Mama Nadia to date.
Oh, actually, I was to go. As I've told you, I've been having financial challenges. I'm not able to make it.
Do you believe the children are alive?
It's true, but going to Mombasa, from the...
Yes.
It's possible to tell.
So as we speak, God has told you that your children are alive and you believe what God is telling you.
I know the place because I saw there.
Correct.
So the witness has not even traveled. I dare tell you that it cannot be an issue of financing.
Kurudi pia na 750.
1500.
Mbali kombani.
He's traveling from Rwanda.
Going all the way. Yeah.
Yes, going. Mbona ukwenda Maseno locals? Nani alikwambia ukuje mbali?
I tried. Kuzunguka pale nikaenda nikaambiwa tena asio hapa, enda mbele.
Okay.
Ndio nikafika huko.
If I say so much, then it's going to hurt victims here. So what he needs to see is that postmortem report. How is he going to...
Nikatumwa tena mpaka huko.
That is so wrong because the nearest court to, you see, Rwanda, from Rwanda you come, it is the legal locals actually. Because if that child is dead and the witness says, I believe my wife, the child is alive, so it is the testimony of...
We needed clarification on a document that has been produced, a document that was not endorsed and everything. It's talking about something about death. The court has been able to throw out the document by saying that actually the document was being posed to a witness who does not understand the technicality of it. So essentially, the court has not agreed to that document. So what you're seeing there is an issue of a document that is being introduced at a stage to try and claim the death of someone, and the witness. As it is, we are facing a lot of issues with last-minute witnesses, and some of these things are coming out. In due course, we are going to see the whole truth as to whether indeed someone died, and whether indeed what they are bringing is actually what we have on record. So this is what we are, the context of what we are being brought to you in terms of that. That document that has been tried to introduce has failed. That document has been thrown out for the terms of the court that it does not have probative value. Yes, that is what has been said. There is no probative value. That means that the documents bear not a single shred of weight in the evidence that was put out. And then we also moved to expunge all the things that were submitted that were not supported by that document. The witness investigative agencies is different from what he believes, and he's just testified to that, both in examination in chief and cross-examination. His honest belief is that his position is different from what is being pushed by the investigation agencies. And neither can this honorable court confirm that this is a post-mortem for person X, Y, or Z, because it does not have that endorsement. I'm raising an application before this honorable court that the entire submission by the prosecution, as of right now, when they say they're recalling the witness, be expunged from the record, because that is a submission by counsel. It is not, they have actually not recalled the witness and asked questions. My lady, our reservation, and we pray that this goes on record because it may form basis of something else, because they have made an application to recall a witness. They have made submissions as counsels and gone back and sat down. They could have reserved everything that they've said for submissions. There was no point for recalling the witness, and they have just affirmed what the defense has indicated, that they have nothing to refer to. So whatever the witness said still stands as his testimony. So we pray that whatever counsel has said does not form part of the testimony of this witness.
The expert concluded that there are 99.99% chances that Ojai Millicent Awor, whose DNA reference is provided, and Anthony Wyclif, who is the witness before court and whose reference is provided, are biological parents to the donor of the DNA profile generated from, and the body reference is provided. Now that body reference is the same as
body reference number what?
MLD, MG 24, Roman 2. Yes, so Your Honor, my colleague was trying to explain that the post-mortem has not been endorsed. Yes. What we have been doing with these witnesses who don't know post-mortems, we have just been reading the endorsement. Yes. To hear the name, for them to hear the name, yeah, and confirm whether that name is the name of the deceased relative. That's all. So now that we don't have it, the best we can do is work with the government chemist report.
Tueleze ilikuwaje kidogo hivi umoja kuja anagonga kwa nyumbani kwa area hata jana akapiga mimi kaita mwanzoni na ndugu wenyewe wakaona kwa sahihi hii shangaa kwani ilikuwa na njia gani na tulianza kushughulikia ona mimi na
utaulizwa swali moja mbili.
Kwa wapi kama umesafiri?
Nimesafiri kutoka Tongoi.
Tongoi?
Si unapanda straight mpaka Vihiga. Ukafika Vihiga ndio hapo Vihiga tumbale I don't know how we justify. You know that's like 1500. That is like alafu uache kitambulisho. Guide, do you have DPP?
Just do it. It's a good idea. Step on the I keep on sending you. Remember, there is no Mackenzie.
You have told this honorable court that you honestly believe that your children are still alive, correct?
Yes, that's correct.
You also have told this honorable court that there was a lady who your wife left the children with, according to her. That is Mama Nadia, correct?
That's correct.
And despite telling the police officers, none of them has ever taken you to Mama Nadia to date.
Oh, actually, I was to go. As I told you, I've been having financial challenges. I'm not able to make it.
Do you believe the children are alive?
It's true, but going to Mombasa, for the...
Yes.
It's possible to tell.
So as we speak, God has told you that your children are alive and you believe what God...
All the way to Vihiga, they're dead.
Correct.
So the witness has not even traveled. I dare tell you that it cannot be an issue of finances.
So umetumia nauli ngapi?
Sasa nimetumia 750 kufika hapa.
So kurudi pia ni 750.
Kurudi pia ni 750.
So 1500.
Mbali iko mbali.
He's traveling from Rwanda.
Going all the way.
Yeah.
Yes, going. Mbona ukwenda Maseno locals? Nani alikwambia ukuje mbali?
I tried kuzunguka pale, nikaenda nikaambiwa tena sio hapa, enda mbele.
Okay.
Ndio nikafika huko.
If I say so much, then it's going to hurt victims here. So what he needs to see is that postmortem report. How is he going to...
Nikatumwa tena mpaka huko.
That is so wrong, because the nearest court to, Rwanda, from Rwanda, you come,